Did you know that there's a tree that bleeds bright red sap, known as dragon's blood when it's cut? It's called the dragon's blood tree, and that's just one of the strange plants we'll be exploring today. Get ready to dive into the weird and wonderful world of the 13 strangest plants you didn't know existed. Number 1. Rafflesia arnoldi, the corpse flower. The Rafflesia arnoldi, also known as the corpse flower, is famous for being one of the largest and smelliest flowers in the world. Found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, particularly Indonesia, this flower can grow up to 3 feet across and weigh up to 15 pounds. Despite its size, it has no leaves, stems, or roots, and it relies entirely on a host vine for nutrients. Its nickname comes from the foul odor it emits, which is similar to that of decaying flesh. This smell attracts flies and beetles that help in pollination. Rafflesia arnoldi's strange life cycle and appearance make it one of the most fascinating and bizarre plants on Earth. Number 2. Venus flytrap, the carnivorous plant. The Venus flytrap is perhaps the most well-known carnivorous plant in the world, but its unique mechanism for trapping insects makes it one of the strangest too. Native to subtropical wetlands of the east coast of the United States, this plant has hinged leaves that snap shut when tiny hairs inside are triggered by an unsuspecting insect. Once the trap closes, the plant secretes digestive juices that break down the prey, allowing it to absorb the nutrients. This carnivorous adaptation allows the Venus flytrap to survive in nutrient-poor soils, making it a fascinating example of nature's ingenuity. Number 3. Hydnora africana, the hidden carnivore. Hydnora africana is a parasitic plant native to southern Africa. Its most striking feature is its flower, which remains hidden underground until it erupts to capture small creatures. The plant emits a foul odor resembling feces to attract beetles, its primary pollinators. Once inside the flower, the beetles become trapped for a short time, during which the plant's pollination occurs. This bizarre plant, with its alien-like appearance and unique reproductive strategy, has no chlorophyll, relying on its host plant for nutrients. Hydnora africana's underground lifestyle and predatory tendencies make it a truly strange botanical specimen. Number 4. Welwitschia mirabilis, the immortal plant. Welwitschia mirabilis, often called the immortal plant, is native to the Namib Desert in Namibia and Angola and can live for over 1,000 years. It only grows 2 leaves throughout its entire lifetime, but these leaves can grow over 13 feet long. The leaves continually split and twist, creating a tangled mass that helps the plant survive in extreme desert conditions. Its deep roots tap into underground water sources, while its thick leaves absorb moisture from fog. This ancient plant is considered a living fossil and has been the subject of fascination due to its unusual appearance and longevity. Number 5. Amorphophallus titanum, the Titan arum. Known as the Titan arum or corpse flower, this plant holds the title for having the largest unbranched inflorescence in the world. It can grow over 10 feet tall, and like the Rafflesia, it emits a foul odor reminiscent of rotting flesh. Native to the rainforests of Sumatra, this plant's bloom lasts only a few days and happens infrequently, making it a rare and spectacular sight. The pungent smell attracts carrion beetles and flies for pollination. Despite its somewhat grotesque reputation, the Titan arum is a marvel of the plant world, both in size and its unusual pollination method. Number 6. Dracana kinnabari, the dragon's blood tree. The Dracana kinnabari, also known as the dragon's blood tree, is native to the island of Socotra in the Arabian Sea. Its name comes from the dark red sap that it produces, which is often called dragon's blood. This strange tree has an umbrella-like shape with dense clusters of leaves at the top and a bare trunk. The sap has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, dyes, and incense, and it was once believed to have magical properties. The tree's unique structure allows it to survive in arid environments, capturing moisture from the air and funneling it down to its roots. Its striking appearance and historical significance make it one of the world's most unusual plants. Number 7. Mimosa pudica, the sensitive plant, Mimosa pudica, also known as the sensitive plant or shame plant, is famous for its ability to respond to touch by closing its leaves. Native to South and Central America, this small, herbaceous plant has gained popularity worldwide due to its unusual defense mechanism. When touched, its leaves fold inward rapidly, as if recoiling from contact. This movement is thought to deter herbivores or protect the plant from environmental stress. Within minutes, the leaves reopen once the threat is gone. This fast-acting motion, known as thigmonesty. Number 8. Nepenthes. The pitcher plant. Nepenthes, or pitcher plants, are carnivorous plants found primarily in tropical regions like Southeast Asia. They have evolved modified leaves that form deep, pitcher-shaped traps filled with digestive fluids. Insects and small animals are lured into the pitchers by nectar, only to slip on the plant's waxy surface and fall into the liquid below, where they are slowly digested. Some Nepenthes species are so large that they can trap small mammals, such as rats. These plants rely on their carnivorous adaptations to obtain nutrients in nutrient-poor soils, making them one of nature's most efficient insect hunters. Number 9. Victoria amazonica, the giant water lily. The Victoria amazonica, also known as the giant water lily, is the largest water lily species in the world. Native to the shallow waters of the Amazon River basin, its leaves can grow up to 10 feet in diameter. The leaves are strong enough to support the weight of a small child. Its beautiful white flowers bloom at night and close during the day, attracting pollinators like beetles with their fragrant scent. The plant plays an important role in the ecosystem, providing shelter and a resting place for aquatic creatures. Its size and unique blooming pattern make it one of the most striking plants in the world. Number 10. Lithops, the living stones. Lithops, commonly known as living stones, are small succulents native to southern Africa. These plants have evolved to look like stones or pebbles, blending in with their surroundings to avoid being eaten by herbivores. Lithops consist of two fleshy, leaf-like structures that store water and nutrients, allowing them to survive in the harsh desert climate. When they bloom, a single daisy-like flower emerges from between the two leaves. Their stone-like appearance and resilience in extreme environments make lithops a favorite among succulent enthusiasts. Number 11. Baobab, the tree of life. The baobab tree is often called the tree of life due to its ability to store vast amounts of water in its trunk, allowing it to survive in the arid regions of Africa, Madagascar, and Australia. This iconic tree can live for over 1,000 years, with some even estimated to be around 6,000 years old. The baobab's thick trunk can store up to 32,000 gallons of water, which is tapped during droughts. Its unique, almost upside-down appearance, with thick branches that look like roots, has made it a central figure in local folklore. The fruit of the baobab is also rich in nutrients and is used in traditional medicines. Number 12. Ghost orchid, Dendrophylax lindeni. The ghost orchid is one of the most elusive and mysterious orchids in the world. Found in the swamps of Florida and Cuba, this plant is famous for its rare and ethereal appearance. It has no leaves and only appears as a network of roots attached to a tree, giving it an almost invisible look. When it blooms, its white, star-shaped flower seems to hover in the air, giving it its ghostly name. The ghost orchid is extremely difficult to cultivate and even harder to spot in the wild, which has made it a highly prized find among botanists and orchid enthusiasts. Number 13. Taka chantrieri, the bat plant. The Taka chantrieri, also known as the bat plant, is native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Its unusual black flowers resemble a bat in flight, with long, flowing bracts that add to its mysterious appearance. The bat plant can grow up to 3 feet tall, and its dark, almost Gothic-looking flowers have made it a favorite among exotic plant collectors. Despite its eerie appearance, the bat plant is not carnivorous, and it relies on insects for pollination, which are attracted by its unique shape and color. Its otherworldly appearance has led to its popularity in botanical gardens and among plant enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If you were amazed by these strange plants, hit the subscribe button to join us for more fascinating discoveries from around the world. Leave a comment with your favorite plant from today's video. And don't forget to check out the recommended videos on your screen right now for more mind-blowing content. Subscribe, and we'll see you next time.